In this video, you're going to see the animal's head on the right surface go straight up and turn to the left as a bird flies over it and it sticks its tongue out. Now there's the head coming up, straight up, and there's the tongue sticking out. We'll play that again a second time. Now the head's going to come up. Here's coming up. As the bird flies over, the head sticks straight up and then sticks the tongue out right there. Now that's the head coming up right now. There it is sticking straight up, and there's the tongue. Okay, now we're doing a frame by frame of this. The head is up out of the water, and here comes the tongue right there. That's the tongue, that black in front of the animal. Now when we saw this in real time, that tongue looked pink. And there's the tongue. Now here's that frame by frame again. There's the head, straight up out of the water. As the bird flies over it, there's the tongue starting to come out. There's the tongue. There's the tongue. There's the tongue.
You can say that.
In this video, you're going to see the animal's head come up to the right of the seagull. It's going to flip its head radically from the right to the left as it tries to grab the seagull. Now there's the head coming up. Now there, you see him grab that seagull? Now we're going to play that again. That's the animal's head coming up on the right. And there he grabs the seagull. Now I've enlarged the picture, and that's the animal's head coming up on the right. We're going to do this frame by frame. Okay, we didn't do that by frame, but we're going to do that again, and you're going to see the head come up and turn to the left and grab the seagull. Right there, he grabs the seagull. Now I'm going to do frame by frame, and you're going to see that head come up, turn to the left, and grab the seagull. Here's the head's coming up. He's looking to the right. He's starting to turn. He's turning to the left, grabbing the seagull, and he's pulling on the seagull. Now he's dragging it down.